Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 3, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our toggles by swiping down from the top of our screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and on one of the pages you should see a power saving mode. Now for me it is on the first page or right over here, but if you can't see it on your device, you could swipe to the left, which will give you a second page of the toggles, and hopefully you can find it somewhere here. Now going back to this toggle, you can just simply tap on it. It automatically gets enabled as this little plus in your battery to indicate that it is right now running. And that being said, there might be a couple things happening in the background, which I will mention, though take them with a grain of salt, because there might not affect this device. I'm just kind of guessing, if that makes sense. So what typically happens with power saving modes, they will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data after a period of inactivity, and what that will result in is delay or just non-delivery of notifications or email fetching. Any application that requires internet connection might be now getting a delayed notifications, or giving you delayed notifications. So just know, if you experience something like that, if you know that someone sent you a message half an hour ago and you just received it, it's power saving mode at its finest. Now once you're done with it, you can just find the toggle once again and turn it off, tap on it once more, and there we go. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.